A lot of people have enjoyed the production Breaking Bad. And if you're messing with phenylanilines, it's a lot like that. Isothermic reactions, amalgamated metals, that kind of stuff. Distillation of mercury out of the product. I get it. You don't want to go crazy doing dope. Imagine that. But it's here in Arkansas, the standard method was to go for pills. And I want to share with you the mentality, the lifestyle, the big brilliance of the speed chef. The idea was to go to Texas because it was already regulated and you could go across the border and buy pills because we thought we couldn't buy pills here. And so you would all line up and get in a car and you'd haul ass to Texarkana with your rig. And if you survived a trip past the police and you drive right, then you had to survive sitting in a car with someone like me that couldn't hit himself, and it was pure chaos. And you pull in a parking lot, and I'd be trying to jab myself in the neck, and a cop would go by. That's just how it began. And after we went to Texarkana and made the loop, I realized that, hell, we couldn't buy no pills. We come on back home. And walked right into the Walgreens, and sure enough, right here in the local area, bought a box of cold pills. And the guy came back, and so I went in. And the woman, the pharmacist, took one look at me. Now she's behind the glass. And she says, "I'm not selling you nothing. You smell like fucking a meth cook." Yeah, that's what I smelled like. A walking fucking meth cook. I had given up my whole life to learn how to produce speed. It was like the brilliance of everything I do. That was my passion. It had that much of a grip on me. It took my freedom. It took a lot of my money and it took a lot of my health. And so when we watch Breaking Bad, they don't show you all that. They show you production. But the reality of it is it's just death and destruction. And we need to work towards something better in this country. And believe me, I've done it all. Yeah. After you get past a couple of years, you can fuck just like you did when you was on dope, I promise you. Fluid English.